So guys, once you're on this screen with the error, you want to click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you want to click on close. You want to get out of this. And then it's going to ask you, are you sure that you want to quit? Click on yes. And then you want to click on repair your computer, which will then take us into this screen. Now once you're on this screen, you want to click on troubleshoot, and then click on advanced options, and then click on command prompt. And now once you're on this, we're going to type in diskpart and click on enter. Then we're going to type in list space disk and click on enter again. Now you want to select the disk where you want to install Windows on. So for example, I've only got one disk, so I can only select disk 0. But if you want to install it on a different disk, it's going to say like disk 1, disk 2, etc. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. So in my case, I have to type in select disk 0 and click on enter. For you, it might be a different disk, but now for me, disk 0 has been selected. And now you want to type in clean and click on enter. Then you want to type in create partition primary and click on enter again. Now this should work straight away, but if it's showing you this on your screen right now that you can see, you want to type in create partition primary again and then it should work. Now you want to type in format space fs equals ntfs space quick and click on enter. Now once you've done this, you can just close out CMD and then you can click on turn off your PC. And now you should want to turn on your computer again and then it should let you install Windows.